There's a quiet kind of magic at Caddo Lake. At first, it's the stillness that draws you in. The color, the reflections, the slow drift of light through the trees. But the longer you're here, the more you realize the calm isn't empty. It's full of something waiting to be seen. Each morning starts with that soft gold light. You line up your shot, take a breath, and click the shutter. It's simple, but it's also everything. In that one moment, you start to see how this place shapes the way you see. Every small detail, the mist, the texture of the bark, the sound of water, pulls you deeper into the whole experience. Out on the water, it's even quieter. The paddle dips, the kayak drifts, and the world slows to match your rhythm. You look through the viewfinder, and it's like the lake is looking back, showing you what's always been there, if you're willing to notice. Each frame becomes part of something bigger, a shared way of seeing. By the end, you realize it was never just about the photos. It's about learning to pause, to really see. The images we take home remind us how it felt to be part of this moment, part of this place. And somehow, that changes the way we see everything else.